Hey, boys and girls, I've got a game for you today. I'm going to say the sound. You're going to tell me who it is. Ready? S. Sammy Snake, or let's say the letter name S. O. Mr. O and the letter O. M. K. It could be a letter C, or it could also be K. I. The letter I. D. Dippy duck. Special delivery. A. The letter A. And Y. Letter Y. Good job. Okay. Now, I want to make the word my. Okay. Now let's look at this word. Mm. Mm. But I want to turn over the Yo-Yo Man letter, the letter Y. Who do we see? We see Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Yes, Yo-Yo Man is saying Mr. I's name, I. And look, he doesn't have yo-yos in his backpack now. What does he have? He has an ice cream cone. Now let me explain what happened. Mr. I has a funny problem. He usually gets dizzy when he is at the end of a word with no letter coming next. He feels so dizzy that he's afraid he's going to fall down. So Mr. I asked Yo-Yo Man to take his place and say his name for him, just at the end of words. And guess how Mr. I thanks Yo-Yo Man? He gives him a great big ice cream cone every time Yo-Yo Man saves him from getting dizzy by taking his place. Let's put these two sounds on our arms and roller coaster them together. Let's start here. I. I. My. Good job. Here's another word. Okay. Mr. I gets dizzy. So let's change the I to a Y. Okay, let's roller coaster it. Ready? Full I. Full I. Full I. Fly. Good job. Mr. I gets dizzy at the end of a little word, so Yo-Yo Man takes his place. Let's sound out these words on our roller coaster. Ready? I. I. Try. Good job. Here's another one. I. I. Dry. Good. Full I. Full I. Fly. Good job. Here's another one. Sk. I. Sk. I. Sky. Good job. And you can go back, boys and girls, and you can listen to this video and roller coaster these words all you want, okay? So your assignment on Letterland or on Seesaw, you're going to have these pictures and you're going to have words that are over here on the side, and you're just going to drag them to the column they belong. We have Mr. E saying E. We have Mr. I saying I. We have Mr. O saying O. And we have Yellow Yo-Yo Man saying I. So you're going to look at the words on Seesaw and just drag them to the correct column. Okay, and be sure to click that check to submit your work. Bye, boys and girls.